Welcome to my channel. How to set up Linksys Velop Mesh WiFi via Bluetooth. First step. Bring all the Linksys nodes close to the Internet modem. The nodes can be shifted upon the successful configuration. For now, placing them near each other is essential as they should be able to have smooth signal transmission. Second step. One of the nodes will act as the parent node. Decide which node should be the primary or parent node. All other child nodes must sit within 10 feet of the parent node. Third step. Plug in the power adapters of all nodes and supply power to them. As per the model number, the Linksys Velop lights on the nodes will be either solid blue or solid purple. Fourth step. Use an Ethernet cable to link the Internet port of the parent node to the Internet modem. Verify that the connection is secure and move ahead. Fifth step. Turn off cellular data on your phone. Ensure that it is not connected to existing Wi-Fi. Sixth step. Tap on the Linksys app to launch it. Tap on Set up a new Wi-Fi network on iOS and launch setup on Android phone. Seventh step. Now tap on Velop and Mesh routers. Eighth step. When prompted, turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Tap Next. Ninth step. Your node will find the network and when prompted, select it's connected. Tap Next. When prompted, turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Tap Next. 10th step. Observe the LED on the nodes. If it is solid, then tap on Node Light is solid. 11th step. It will not check for the Internet. Once detected, it will prompt as connected. If there's no Internet connection detected, you will be prompted to reboot the modem or inspect the wiring. 12th step. Set up PPPoE or static IP address as per your requirements. 13th step. Assign a Wi-Fi name and password for your mesh Wi-Fi and tap Next. 14th step. Accept the privacy pledge by tapping on Continue. 15th step. Link the device to your Linksys Cloud account by logging in. If you do not have an account, then create a Linksys Velop login cloud account to register the device. You can also skip it for now. 16th step. The Linksys nodes will be configured in some time. You will find the number of successfully configured nodes displayed on the screen. Tap Next and tap Finish. Thanks for watching.